Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we're going to print a PDF document. Yes, so you get a PDF document, you don't know how to print it, whether if you want it in a colored, how many pages. So for instance, you have at least 20 pages, you only want 2 pages. How do you really get some of these stuff, right? So I'm going to show exactly how you can actually do that right on your computer. Right, so this is the PDF document. So we'll actually open it to show exactly what's going on with it. All right, so this is set for the PDF document. Very important, right there. So if you want to print it, well, where do you go? If you notice right here, this is set for the printing icon. So I want to click on it. Now when you click on it, if you notice, it bring up this small window right here. So you're gonna show up right over here. So if you notice, it's a total one sheet. If you notice, this is the printer name. If I click on the down arrow, give you more option. So you have to choose the printer in which we want to do that, right? So click outside. Notice it's a copy, mean number of copy. You can come right here inside it and click it to notice if for the amount of number of copy you want. All right, you can actually reduce again. Notice the document in portrait. If you want to change to landscape, you can actually click like this, clicking it. You notice document change to landscape, come back here again, click, document turn back into portrait, right? And come right down here. So for instance, if you have document you want 1 to 5 and then 6, right? If you want 1 to 5, you press 1, all right, put the hyphen in the middle, right? You put 6, and you want to like 2 more, you press a comma, you put 7, let's comma again, and you put 7, just like that. So all of the pages when you select like this, you actually get definitely, right? So for instance, you have a whole set of document. That's exactly what you're going to do. What if I wanted to change the type of colors? Notice colors and black and white right here. If this one go back, right? Very important. So if you notice colors are black and white, you can choose it from right there, right? If you notice right here, print on one side, but if you click here and click it down arrow, you notice it's a print on both sides, right here. So print on both sides, short flip, right? So you can actually print on both sides, right? So it's up to you which one side you wanted to print it on, right? And then right here, you have more settings. You can click down arrow right here. You notice it shows I can actually change the size of the document right here. Notice these are the different size of the document right over here. You can actually change just the same. Yes. Right. Now that. Right. And if you notice right here, print, printable area. You notice the actual size right here. You notice per sheet. I click right here. Notice I show different per sheet. I show the quality right here. Now that as soon as they finish, you come right here and you press print. And when you press print, there you go. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.